Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how long it takes to break a Trelock U-lock. This is a French brand. The U-lock is 16 millimeters of reinforced steel. It costs about 70 euros online, so it's quite a higher level brand. I'm going to be using a circular saw like this, and I'm going to time it now. Oh my goodness, that was very quick. Do not buy one of these locks. Goodness me. So, what was that? About 1 minute and it cut straight through. So this type of steel isn't hard. The one I recommend is the ABUS Granite X Plus. I put the link in the description below. It takes about 10 minutes when I've done those ones. This one was under 1 minute. This is a French brand, Trelock U6. You saw, and this hasn't been charged yet. This angle grinder hasn't, the battery was nearly empty. The disc has been used a lot and it cut through this in under 1 minute. So check out the ABUS Granite X Plus. It's only about 30 more euros. It's about 100, 110 instead of 70, and it's about 10 times stronger. Hope that's been useful. Any questions, stick them in the comments below, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks.